In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix this setting is managed by your administrator in Windows Defender. Here in my Windows Defender, under App and Browser Control, in Reputation Based Protection, I have a problem. This setting is managed by your administrator and I cannot change the setting for check apps and files. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Close Windows Security. In search type regedit. Right click on Registry Editor. Click on Run as Administrator. Before make any changes in Registry Editor, you have to make backup of these settings. Go to File, click on Export and backup the current settings. And if you find any problem after changing Registry settings, just import the backup settings. Now expand SK local machine, then expand software, scroll down, expand Microsoft, then scroll down. You will find Windows Defender. Expand it. Right click on Windows Defender and click on rename and then copy Windows Defender. Now again right click on Windows Defender and click on export. Save the Defender registry file in anywhere and in file name just paste the name you have copied and I am going to save in desktop. Click on save. Look, the registry setting has been saved in desktop here. Right click on real time protection and click on rename. Again right click and copy. Right click again and click on export and same way in file name paste the name you have copied and click on save. And look, the both registry setting has been copied. Now again go to registry settings. Now right click on Windows Defender and click on delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this key and all of these sub keys? Now click on yes. Look, all settings has been deleted. Restart your computer. Close Registry Editor. Go to Start menu. Click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope your problem has been solved and you can easily change settings in Windows Security.